Hello, Mr. Amir. How are you today?
Hello, all good, thank you very much.
So, GITEX has just begun. So, how has the day gone so far?
The day has gone great actually. It just arrived, queues for checking in, the streets are busy, parkings are busy, so it's a good vibe going on today. It's an exciting GITEX as usual.
Great. So, what are you showcasing at GITEX this year?
So Quest Software and One Identity, we're showcasing technologies mainly around moving our customers to the cloud and doing this move as easy as possible and making it as secure as possible, be it through the move or after the move.
Okay. So, with so many security breaches taking place, how are you planning to bridge the gap?
Look, the breaches that we have been seeing mainly in our region are all around identities. I mean, if we look at the majority of this, through One Identity and the Quest technologies, we are able to secure those identities and ensure that the person that is logging on to this data, checking the data, accessing the data, is actually the person he says he is. And through the Quest software technologies, we keep an audit, we keep a log, so that if we want to go back in time and check who did what, when, and where, we actually have all this data to do the forensics.
Great. So, if you go by the theme this year, it's Experience Future Urbanism. So, how are you aligning with the theme?
All right. So, look, urbanism is obviously quite a big conversation, and when you zoom down into IT specifically, we see that we're a bit behind other services. So, for example, electricity, water, transportation, those have all been converted to as a service. I mean, you don't see anyone digging his own well or having his own generator. The same thing in IT. We're seeing everything moving towards IT as a service, so be it a software as a service, application as a service. And in One Identity and Quest software, as I mentioned, we basically enable those customers to move from the old archaic structure of having everything on site to actually leveraging quite a big number of service providers and software service providers that we're having in the region or globally, but at the same time maintain some critical local infrastructure that has to be there for certain requirements like banking and governments and so on. So we enable to do the move and actually bridge the gap between the standard legacy on-premise and the new way of doing IT, which is the consumption-based.
So, what are you planning to take away from GITEX?
Well,
Apart from customers?
of course. I mean, look, it's always good to catch up with the technologies, with the new technologies, with the thought leaders that we're seeing around the GITEX every year. I mean, GITEX have done a really good job around not only showcasing us as the legacy IT solution providers, but also the entrepreneurs, new technologies, emerging ways of consuming IT, cloud, and what have you. So I'm just basically in GITEX to try and understand where our business is going over the next months and even years.
Great. It's a pleasure having you, Amir.
Thank you very much. Thank you, appreciate it.